What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. I'm not sure if you guys can tell from my voice, but I'm still a little bit under the weather, and I'm just wanting to push through because I have so many packages, so many boxes to unbox to share the experience with you all. So hopefully my voice doesn't sound too bad during this unboxing video. Today we got another package knife box here from Lefty EDC's Knife Pass Around. This one's coming from Stafford's EDC, and we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Doing the honors today, we have the, what the heck is this called? Doing the honors today, we have the Takcom OTF. I believe this one's called the Chimera. And yeah, I got a chance to unbox this bad boy here not that long ago in the channel. If you haven't checked out that video, go ahead and check it out next. But yeah, let's see how well an OTF does for package opening, shall we? I make sure I don't cut more than I should. That's package opening 101. Yeah, definitely a very good slicer right here for puncturing through the material. All right, let's see. Bam, here we are. Okay, we are inside now. Let's see what we got here. Got some USPS packages, but yes, we are looking at some more Kansept knives today. Here we go. Boom, that is all that we have in the box, so let's take a look. We have two Kansept knives going on here. This first one, or this one here, is the K2038A3, whatever that means. And this other one is the Integra, Kansept Integra. It's a JK Knives designer, or the design from JK. All right, so which one should we do first? Let's go ahead and go with this one here first, shall we? All right, let's take a look here, see what we have going on. By the way, I have no idea what this knife is, but you probably know from the title and thumbnail. I'll be linking this knife down below if you're interested in learning more, checking out the price and such. But without further ado, we have the iPhone package looking box experience. We have a little sticker here from JD from EDC. Check out JD's channel if you haven't already. We got the instructions and warranty information, all that good stuff in here. All right, wiping cloth, all that good stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and put that all back in there. And let's see. All right, go ahead and get this guy open here. If you guys are ready, I'm ready. Here we go. Boom, check it out. So let me see if I can get a confirmed name on this one. I believe the name on this one is the Kansept Anomaly, and I'll confirm and let you guys know. Obviously, you'll see it in the title, of course, will be linked down below in the description. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy here. It looks like we have, I want to say aluminum here. Is this aluminum? Probably aluminum. I wouldn't say perhaps titanium, but let's go ahead and get this guy open here. It looks like flipper is the only opening option on this bad boy. And bam, okay, I failed the first time. Went ahead and got it on the second try. This guy is a frame lock. And let's see how drop shutty it is. All right, not bad. All right, pretty shake shutter, if you will. All right, we have a what seems to be a straight back design. Right, straight back design going on here. We have a little bit of belly, pretty decently sharp edge right there. The Anomaly from Kansept. This one has S35 VN steel, right? Somewhere in the small/medium category, right? Definitely a 4-finger gripper right here. I don't have the largest of hands, or not the biggest, not the smallest, and I can get a good 4-finger grip going on here. Right, rest my thumb right there on the blade. Boom. We have a pocket clip here that rests right on top of the lock bar stress relief, and we have some standoffs going on here towards the back, 2 of them, and it looks like T6 hardware everywhere except the pivot. All right, so that being said, let's go ahead and do some quick size comparisons on this bad boy. Next to the typical, the usual PM2, here's the Pair 3. All right, this one's going to be a little bit shorter than the Pair 3 for sure. And I'm just now noticing it does have a little bit of a curvature to the back. So, you know, as far as straight back goes, I mean, yes, there's a little bit of curvature, but not all that much. So I'll still stick to it being a straight back. Here's the Demko AD 20.5 on the shark's foot. Here's the slicer on the Shark Cub, probably closer to the 80/20.5 for sure. Absolutely no doubt about that. What about the Wrap Model 1? Obviously that's going to be a larger knife. Probably more comparable to the Wrap Model 2, if anything. All right, pretty similar. pretty close. Here is, last but not least, a CJRB Pyrite, banger of an EDC knife, and another banger of an EDC knife, the Vosteed Raccoon. All right, check that out. All right, both on that medium size. The Anomaly coming in a little bit shorter, just a tad bit shorter than both of these two. You guys take a look there for yourself. Do some quick cutting tests with this bad boy here. All right, let's see how it does. S35 VN on the blade. All right, so far so good. All right, getting some swirls going on right there. And let's see. Boom, yes. Yes, certainly slices pretty good. Let me see. We get a better grip. There we go. So we know it can cut paper. What about some cardboard? Remember, we're cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular like this, but rather at an angle. And here we go. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a slicer. We have a flat grind sand finish going on here on this blade. That flat grind is gonna put in work. Yeah, and it goes to the material pretty well, right? Pretty good. So yeah, not bad. You guys rate it in the comments from 1 through 10. How sharp is this guy? And keep in mind, it's not coming sharp out of the box or anything like that. It certainly has seen some use, making its rounds through the knife pass around, if you will. And yeah, flipper deployment only going on this guy, so that's pretty interesting. I noticed the pocket clip is pretty deep carry, about that much, not completely deep carry, and it's also not reversible. Again, these were just some first observations. Alignment wise, it's a little bit towards the right. But anyways, you guys know the drill by now. I'm going to be EDCing this guy for the next week or so before I have to send it forward to the next YouTuber that's going to be reviewing it. Try to gather as much feedback as I possibly can on this bad boy before dropping a comprehensive review video here on the channel. Again, if you're interested in checking price or checking more details about this knife, it will be linked down below, as well as any other knife that you saw in this video. If you do make a purchase using those links, it does help out the channel at no extra cost to you. Let me know if I missed anything, or let me know if you want to see anything specific during the review, right? What kind of questions do you have that you want me to answer for you during the review video on the Kansept Anomaly, right? This small frame lock folder going on here. You guys let me know. If you made it to the end, you guys are the real MVPs. I really love you guys. Appreciate all your love and support. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that like button, because why not? It is absolutely free and it helps this video reach a larger audience. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like seeing knife content like this on a daily basis. I assure you it'll be worth coming back for more. If you want to support the channel, you can do so on Patreon, link down below, or you can just join the channel here as a member on YouTube and support the channel that way. Again, check out the unboxing video on the heck is this called? I keep forgetting. Check out the unboxing video on the Chimera if you haven't already. This very good, interesting OTF out the front knife. I'll put a video card right here for you guys to check that next. Love you all. Thank you so much for your support. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.